Members of the Jamaica Football Federation Executive Committee are now contemplating their next move in trying to fix an issue seemingly created by President Michael Ricketts. The executive met on Wednesday to discuss their next step in putting together a severance package for General Secretary Dalton Wint, who resigned on Tuesday.
50 words, 11 digits, 2 commas and a full stop may not sound significant to the ordinary Jamaican, but for the Jamaica Football Federation, that one paragraph could see them paying over $9 million to former General Secretary Dalton Wint. The letter, which was sent to Wint, was signed by President Michael Ricketts and seemingly not discussed with members of the executive. On Tuesday night, reporter Brian Lewis asked Vice President Raymond Anderson if he was knowledgeable of the JFF's commitment to compensate the former General Secretary in full for the remainder of his contract.
Well, I saw his email address on it, so I figure more or less it's supposed to send to him.
That email, TVJ Sports understands, was sent to only 2 other JFF members outside of Wint and President Ricketts, those being Vice President Bruce Gaynor and the Portland FA President Raymond Grant.
You saw the letter, because I heard that there's a letter of that, and when I checked, investigate, we find out that there's a letter of such magnitude. So what we'll do, we'll still have the meeting tomorrow to see how to deal with the plan.
So this letter was put together without the consultation of the executive and the board?
I don't think so. The president signature is on it. The president's signature is on it.
Yeah, but he's not the board and the executive.
I know that. Everybody knows the president is not the board, but he can make the executive decision.
On Tuesday night, the chair normally occupied by President Ricketts at games inside the stadium was empty.
The president really were actually got a medical thing, right? He's supposed to attend the doctor this afternoon. And when we called him, he was actually at the doctor's surgery.
TVJ Sports also understands that Wint sent a message directly to Ricketts stating what he wanted in his compensation package, including being paid per month up to December of this year and then be given a full year lump sum in January 2023. That payment to also include a 10% increase for 2023 and an in full payment for his vacation days at over $500,000 a month. The act of President Ricketts could cost the JFF in excess of $10 million. That was the discussion at Wednesday's meeting, as it is understood that a 3-member panel is being constructed to review Wint's contract to find a way around the promises made in Ricketts' letter to him. It is also not customary for persons to be compensated in full upon resignation from a post. TVJ Sports also understands that there were discussions around who would now take up the vacant General Secretary position. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.